Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change region on Android. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Play Store app. Now look to your top right and tap on your profile picture. Next, go into Settings, select the General section, and from here go into Account and Device Preferences, or just an Account section. Now under the Country and Profiles, you should have the option to proceed with changing the country or with changing your region. I do not have it here since I've already changed my region within last 12 months, since when you do change your country, this ability gets put on the 12 months or 1 year cooldown, so you can change your region not more often than annually, pretty much. So yeah, from here just tap at the country change or country selection and proceed from here. If you do not have this option, like I don't, that means that your 12 months cooldown from your last country or region change attempt did not or haven't yet passed. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.